for this problem, we have to remember that distance equals rate times time. So Robert's distance plus Johnny's distance is going to equal 45 miles because they are 45 miles apart. So Robert's distance is going to be 2 times his speed, and Johnny's distance is 3.5 times his speed, and they're going the same speed, so that's why I can use an X for both of them. So 2 plus 3.5, because I need to combine like terms, is 5.5x equals 45. And then we know we're going to divide both sides by the 5.5. So using our calculator, 45 divided by 5.5 is approximately 8.2 miles per hour.